Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to FSEC's online support program. Today we are starting Unit 2.2 titled as Our Environment, written by Frank Scarpti. I am Mrs. Nushat Rahim Afridi, your English teacher at Army Public School and College, Pothwar Complex, Islamabad, Boys Wing. Let me tell you something about the author. Frank Scarpti is the 7th mayor of the city of Markham, Ontario, Canada. He was born in Ontario in 1960. The son of Italian immigrant parents, he is married to Nancy Scarpti and has 3 children. Scarpti is Professor Emeritus in the Department of Sociology and Criminal Justice at the University of Delaware, USA. The summary or the synopsis of this lesson. In the past few decades, natural resources seemed unlimited. The air was pure and fresh. Water bodies like rivers, streams, and oceans were thought to be elements to be harnessed for generating power and disposing waste. Now, environment is not a problem for the sciences or the scientists. It has been well established as a global threat and a significant concern for all. The biologists refer to the intricate web of relationship between all living things and the physical environment they share as the ecosystem. Each living thing plays an important role in this ecosystem. The food technology chain is closed by bacteria and fungi, which decompose the wastes and eventually the dead bodies of all living things, returning useful nutrients for the use of the original producers or plants. Each element necessary for life goes through cycles of use and reuse. At certain periods in the cycle, if the element is not available for use, it re-enters the cycle eventually. Populations of all animals in the ecosystem are adjusted through natural forces such as disease and predation to a size in keeping with the food supplies the environment can provide. Desired learning objectives of this Unit 2.2 are: at the end of the lesson, the students must be able to understand environmental threats the entire world is faced with today. Natural resources are not unlimited and are being rapidly consumed. The world poses serious health hazards and welfare of the human and animal population, the ecosystem and the role each living thing plays in it, the impact of an alteration in one part of the ecosystem on other parts of the ecosystem. Alteration brings harm to human and animal life and damage to our environment. The need of forming action groups to ensure passage of environmental legislation. Introduction to ecology courses at many levels for the awareness and guidance of masses about their misuse of nature and environment. As majority, these environmental issues can be lessened, if not resolved, and controlled, not as a minority. New vocabulary or words meanings. Alteration means change, modification. Crumble, process of breaking into fragments, crumbs. Ecology, the study of the relationship between living organisms and their environment. Ecosphere, the parts of the universe, especially on Earth. Ecosystem, interaction between a community and its environment. Injudicious, hasty, unwise. Intricate, complex, difficult. Legislation, process of making laws. Monumental, enormous, huge. Precarious, unsafe, insecure. Predation, the act of hunting and killing as a prey. schistosomiasis, a disease also known as snail fever. Strip mining, mining by digging out from the surface. Harness means put to use. Silt up, to fill. This is all about Unit 2.2 titled as Our Environment. I thank you.